Hello everyone. Hey, it's kind of nasty weather here in New Mexico. I'm sure it's that way in most of the nation. So I thought I would take a few minutes during this bad weather and show you a gun belt that I bought, I think last year. It's an Ernie Hill gun belt. Now, this gun belt is left-handed and it is really tight on me. This is a 36-inch gun belt. But I'd like for you to take a minute and look. This is a really rare gun belt. I don't have it cinched around my leg. I don't have the leg strap done because when I got this, the strap is broke, so it doesn't go all the way around my leg. So I just wanted you to take a minute. Notice the double buckles. The billet. So, okay, so you're saying, what's this all about? This is what it's all about. If you find a gun belt that you think is really awesome, okay? I think most of the gun belts built in the 1950s and 1960s are the best, but most of those makers don't make gun belts anymore. They're not in existence anymore. So all you have is what there is. This one being so rare, an Ernie Hill fast draw gun belt, I thought, you know, it's left-handed, I'm right-handed, and it's 36 and choking me to death. I could take this gun belt, if I get it at a good enough price, and model this gun belt to make one that I could wear. So here's what I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to take it off. Now, if you want to come over and have a look at it with it off of me, would a little light be better? Can you see it? Does that help? Okay. Now, notice this gun belt has a lot of metal in it. Most fast draw gun belts do. You'll see a lot of metal in the holster, and you'll see metal in part of the belt itself. That kind of helps hold the shape. So here's what I do. I take a piece of poster board like you get at Walmart or Dollar Tree or Dollar General, anywhere. I find it cheaper at Dollar Tree because it's 50 cents a sheet, and when you doing this, you mess up a lot. So what I do at that point is I take the poster board and I just lay the gun belt on it, and I make a pattern. So when you make a pattern, see, then this pattern's reversible. You could go right-handed with this pattern. And the gun holster is a little more tricky, but it is doable. And you can make a right-handed also, the same method with it. Take apart every piece of the gun belt that you can get off, such as the billet. Take all that off. See, then that way you can make a pattern much easier that way. And you can notice the stitching. See, all of this is double stitched. Your better gun belts are double stitched. Arvos, I think, are top notch. They're single stitch, but it's a good tight stitch. So, don't look at Mickey. That came with the belt. So, when you take everything off, make a pattern, then you can take that pattern and put that pattern together, and put the pattern together, and then make sure it fits you. And then when you get something that's comfortable for you to wear, that's a replica of what you're making, then you can take this back apart and stop right there, and you can make your gun belt out of leather using this pattern. So just take it apart, then there's your pieces when you lay it out on the leather, and you make your gun belt. Okay, I go one step further. Maybe I want to make another one down the road, and I forget what I've done with the pattern. So what I do is I'll make a a blueprint of this gun. This is right-handed and this is in my size. And if I make a blueprint of it, then I can put that away and come back later and actually build a gun belt, make a template off of this blueprint itself. So this is what I do when I find a cool gun belt that's too small, maybe left-handed when I'm right-handed, and I still like the belt and I want to make one like it, and you're not going to go find one. This is how I come up with a gun belt that fits me for fast draw or any other type of gun belt that you want to make. So, thought maybe this might be of help, give you some ideas. There's some other cool ways to do the holster using thick aluminum foil, because sometimes paper's hard to wrap around. I can show you those type of videos if you're interested. But cool gun belts, cool people. Check you later.